I would give this guy shit. Dude, that's him, bro. If I get up there, I'm giving this guy shit. Fuck. Dude, every fucking day, man. Every fucking day. You're the guy. Dude, you're on the internet, bro. And you about to blow up big, yelling at me for nothing. And you was too scared to come up to my face. I'm the motorcycle guy. That's right. I'm motorcycle guy. And you fucking yelled at me that day, but you knew I couldn't hear you. You such a badass. You such a badass. And I see how you drive. You drive like an asshole too. So don't talk shit about me. I saw what you did back there. You know what you did. So don't fucking yell at me when you drive like that too. Look at him. He ain't gonna talk shit. Look at him. He won't talk shit though. He will not talk shit. Look at him. Look at him. Total opportunity. Yell at me, dude. Yell at me. Yell at me, motherfucker. Oh, he won't. Salt Life. Salt Life. What up, Salt Life? Oh my god, dude. Look, y'all. Salt Life. Salt Life, y'all. Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. Salt Life, dude. Salt Life. Salt Life. Oh, dude. Am I gonna pull this off? Looking out for a silver Frontier. Salt Life? Oh, Salt Life! Salt Life! Yeah, dude, Salt Life! That was Salt Life, bro. We just split Salt Life by accident. Yeah, dude. Salt Life. Me and Salt Life are friends now. You saw him? Fuck yeah. Dude, Friday's the shit. Salt Life! What up, Salt Life? Salt Life! Me and Salt Life is homies now. Salt Life! Salt Life! Salt Life! Yeah, dude, Salt Life! Yeah, dude! Dude, me and Salt Life know each other. We might as well shake hands. I don't ever want to meet him though. I just want him to be known as Salt Life. The man, the myth, the Jeep driver, the legendary Jeepist, Salt Life. Yeah, dude. Crank it up.